Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Elle, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I sublimate my phone cases for my business. When I first started my art business, I knew phone cases were going to be the first things that I wanted to release. And when it came to sublimation, I went through so many trials and errors on trying to get the perfect quality for my phone cases. And so today I am here in hopes that I can teach you the steps that I do currently to make beautiful phone cases so you can avoid all the mistakes that I went through. But before we start, all of the items that I have will be listed in the description box along with affiliate links that I personally use daily, and I will get a profit if you do purchase from those links, but it will be at no cost to you. So go ahead and click that subscribe button if you want to see more art related content from me, and let's get right into the video. The first step is to create your design. But if you're not creating your design and using a photo or pre-made design already, then go ahead and skip to the next chapter. So inside of Procreate, I am going to open up a new canvas, and I am going to set the width to 2000 pixels and height to 4000 pixels. For the color palette, make sure you use CMYK. So once you have that set, go ahead and create your canvas and design whatever design you want inside of here. After you've completed your design, go ahead and save it as a JPEG and send it to your computer. All right, so we're gonna jump right into the heat press settings because I usually turn this on first before dealing with any printing or anything like that because it takes a while to warm up. So the heat press that I use is the StarCraft heat press, and I set the temperature to 365 degrees Fahrenheit, and I do this for 50 seconds. Alright, so for the printer, I use the Epson ET4760. For the sublimation ink, I use the Haipu sublimation. And for paper, I use the A-Sub sublimation paper. These will also be linked down below. Alright, so you have your design sent to your computer. You want to open up a Word document. I use Adobe Illustrator for this, but Microsoft Word works just as fine. You're going to take your JPEG design and flip it horizontally. Size it down to whatever the phone case you have. You want to make sure that the height of the design and width of the design overlap the sublimation aluminum back. And once you have it scaled down, you're just going to save this as a PDF and prepare for printing. Alright, so open up that PDF that you created and go ahead and click print and open up that printer setting. Here you want to link the printer to the sublimation printer that you have and create a new preset. The paper size is a US letter, which is 8.5 by 11 inches. Orientation is set to portrait. I'm just gonna flip through each one so you can pause it and see my presets. And the most important ones are the color matching, which is set to the Epson color control, and the print setting is also important. For print settings, you want to set the media type to premium presentation paper matte, and make sure that the print quality is selected as best quality. And the most important, make sure the mirror image is selected, and after the preset, you can go ahead and print. Now it's time for the fun part. We're going to take our phone case and take the aluminum back piece off. There is a plastic protective film over this. Make sure you remove it or else your image will come out blurry. After that, we're going to place our aluminum back white face down onto the paper and secure it with heat protectant tape. Now lay this design onto the heat press and cover it with parchment paper and press it down for those 50 seconds. After the 50 seconds is over, open up your heat press and turn it off and let this cool. Very important to wear heat protectant gloves when handling the heat press. Once it's cooled down, you can remove the tape and go ahead and remove the white paper on the back of the phone case. I like to line up the aluminum back on the side of the phone case and close it like a book to ensure that it gets on there correctly. After that, I just press it down to make sure it adheres perfectly, and you've made your first phone case. I really hope you found this video helpful. If you did, go ahead and click that subscribe button if you want to see more art business related content, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.